Hey everyone, Krishna this side. I've already made a video about how to script Apollo leads, okay, but recently Apollo has changed their plan and the entire structure of their website, and now it is pretty complicated to scrape the data because the last extension does not work anymore, right? So I have created a new one, and it is more better and gets more detail. So if you have watched the last video, you must have known the whole process. It's the same. Okay. Uh, just go to peoples, then just do your search filters. Okay. Save the data in the list. You can create list from this. Okay. So let's say I have created a list called new list. Okay. Then just go to peoples. Let's create a filter for solar, right? Okay, then email status should be verified. And let's put the location US. Yeah, you can do more filters. For now I will just do this. Okay, then you just have to save them, select all, save. So here you can choose the list. Okay, so I will choose the new list. Okay, I will just save it here. And okay, so one tip, once you have saved one page, okay, you then have to go to next page, right? For scraping, for saving more peoples, what you can do is you can just go to net new. Okay, so now these peoples are new. Okay, just select them, save to the list. Now what you have to do is you have to refresh the page. Okay, now this is a new peoples. Okay, so let's save this as well. New list, save. Okay, so I have saved three pages, so I must have 75 leads, right? So let's go to list, new list. So till it shows 50, right? But it takes 1 or 2 minutes to update this, so let's just refresh it. So as you can see, I have 75 leads, correct? And from here you can see how many pages you have. So I have 3 pages, right? So now what you have to do is you have to go to saved. Now the most important part is the table structure, right? So if you go to my Gumroad, I have provided the exact table structure what you should have. Okay, so basically it's simple. What you have to do is just go to search settings, fields, and from here uh, you have to basically add new lists. So person should be same. In company you just have to, I guess I have already added it. Okay, so I have already added. Yeah, so this is the correct list. Okay, I guess once for you in the beginning there will be no company, industry, keywords, location, city, state, country, and link. So you have to just add this part from from this company, and yeah, that's it. So this should be the table structure. This should be exact. You have to make sure everything is according to what I have shown in this Gumroad page. Okay, exact to this. Now what you have to do is basically, so this is the new extension. Okay, here first of all you have to give how many pages you want to scrape. Okay, so as you can see I have 3 pages, correct, for 75 leads. So make sure not to add more pages, you know, what you have. So let's just give it 3, and then you just have to click on scrape. Now it will scrape the pages one by one. Let's wait a bit. Okay, so the scraping is complete. Either you can download it as a CSV or just copy the data, go to a Google Sheet and just paste it. So as you can see I have 76 leads. So one is for the name, for the basically the column name. So as you can see we have 75 leads, and let me tell you what kind of data it collects. First of all, name, job title, company, then the person email, okay, phone number, then we have LinkedIn profiles for this particular person, then we have location, company, number of employees the company have, industry, keywords, then company location, company city, company state, then country, and then we have company website, LinkedIn account, and lastly Facebook. Yeah, so this is what the data it will collect. Okay, and yes, and one more thing, you know, once you have download, you can download this extension from this Gumroad page. I will provide the link in the description. And once you have downloaded, you just have to for using this extension you have to provide a license key. Okay, so you can just reach out to me via WhatsApp and just send me your email address you used for purchasing this, and I will just send you the license key. And yeah, then you just have to activate it, and then you can use this for lifetime. Yeah, that's it. And one more thing, my Google Maps scraper has been updated. The website scraper has also been updated. They are more accurate, and I hope Google Maps scraper will be live on Chrome Web Store, so you can simply install, add to your browser from the Chrome itself. I hope till you are watching this video, I hope this should be live. But yeah, so this is the Google Maps scraper and this is the website scraper I have built. So let me tell you what basically this does. So let's copy this. Okay, let's copy all the websites. Okay, just paste it over here. You can see we have 47 websites, and then you just have to click on scrape, and it will scrape all the websites and collect emails, Facebook link, Instagram link, LinkedIn links. Okay, if the website has YouTube or WhatsApp, it will also show over here. So as you can see, yeah, and it is pretty fast. So currently I have chosen 10 websites per at a time, but you can choose more. So let's try with 30. Okay, so this is complete, I guess. Yes, let's try with 30. Okay, so as you can see, it is already, I guess it is completed. Yes. Yes. So this is my new website scraper. I will I don't think I will list it on the Gumroad, but you can definitely reach out to me through WhatsApp, and you can get this. And this is free basically. You can download it from Gumroad or from Chrome Web Store itself. And yeah, that's it for today. uh Happy scraping, and I will see you in the next video.